Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. In addition to my weekly YouTube videos and blog posts, I have a free course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home, and I also have a paid course, which is the Complete Home and Life Strategies course. In addition to the course, you will receive a free planner, which is a 2025 or undated Divine Life and Home Planner. This planner has all the information, tips, suggestions, an area for your meal planning, an area for your finances, an area to show you which rooms to declutter, goal setting. Basically everything is in this planner. So today is week 2 of the weekly declutter challenge, and this week we are going to declutter, or we're going to get rid of our old expired medicines. Yes, you are not alone. There are so many people that have tons of expired medicines in their filing cabinet and in their first aid kit. So what we're going to do is go through our medicines and see what is expired. You know, it shows you on the bottle, it shows you on the pill bottle, even with your creams, it will have an expiration date. And I'm sorry to say this, but I'm sure plenty of your items are expired because you may start a regimen and then you may stop it. Or if it's something like a cold medicine and you don't get colds often, you may take it for a certain period of time and then put it back in your shelf and you don't realize you've never properly disposed of it. So what we're going to do is take all those things out. We're going to organize the things that are in good standing, things that still have some shelf life. We will put them back and we're going to organize them. But all the other things, we're going to properly dispose of them. So I suggest you contact your local pharmacist or maybe even a fire station and see if they will take them. Please, under no circumstances should you just pour them down the sink or pour them in the toilet, because you are affecting our water supply. So you definitely don't want to do that. But anywho, I hope you are enjoying this weekly declutter challenge. This is week 2. I look forward to seeing what you have in store. If you have not joined the declutter challenge, all you have to do to join the declutter challenge is head on over to Instagram and you'll see the list of the items are each week which you're supposed to declutter. And then also, if you follow me, you will get an email or the subscription reminder in each post, which shows you what our duty is or what our item that we're decluttering for that week is. If you want more information, more help, you can join the private Facebook community, and I will leave that information in the description box. But in the private Facebook group, you can actually post your questions, post pictures, and just communicate with other like-minded individuals. So please subscribe to this video if this is something you're interested in, and like this, subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.